Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will work on edit functionality. So let's create the edit button first. So we need a button over here, button which we will include from Polaris. This is the component of Polaris, and in the button we will have edit text and over here we will define edit, and that should be text. Okay, save that. And if you see, now we have edit button. Now let's add the functionality of this edit button. So on click we will run a function, and in that function we will call handle edit function, and we will pass product in that function. So let's create that function. Const handle, let me just copy and paste handle edit, and that will be arrow function, and we will console log edit button clicked bar product, and here we will pass product dot title. So let's save that and go back here and inspect that, and if we click, you will see edit button is clicked for product pink armchair, and our edit button is working. Now let's add some use case. So we need few use states over here. The first one is for active state, const active set active, where use state, and by default it will be false. Next one is editing product and set editing product, and default value will be null. Again, let me just copy and paste the other states. We need title and set title use state, and default one is empty, and price and set price, default one is empty. Okay, let's define the handle model change. So we need a model to display our product data. So let's first add the model in the bottom. So after the layout we need a model which is coming from Polaris. In the model we have open, props. By default Yes. And we will pass here active. Then on close, we will create a function handle model change, and title would be edit product. In primary action, content will be save, and on action we will have handle save function, which we will describe later. Secondary action, in this secondary action we will have content cancel, and in that array we need object. Okay, and on action we will call this function handle model change. Next, let's display the content for the model dot section, and then we have a file layout. In the form layout we will have text field, and inside text field we will have label title, and value would be title, and on change we will have value. We will run this function and pass value, and set title, pass the value. Okay, similarly we have our next field for the text field, and we just copy and paste for the text field. In that text field we have label price, type number, and value is price, and on change we will set the price of that field. And finally, after the model, we have a toast that will show up message when we make changes to any product. Toast active. Let me just copy and paste this over here. Okay, now if we go back to our app and click on edit, you will see we have a pop-up, and in that pop-up we have a price and title, and on cancel the pop-up is being closed. So in every pop-up we have a different title and different price. So let's complete the functionality. I think we will complete the functionality in the next video. Right now we have the edit pop-up functionality, but when we hit save, that will be actually update the product in the pop-up. So we will cover that in the next video.